Hello friends, this is Rupesh and you're watching C Beginners video series on C++ MCQ questions, and this question is about threading. So this is MCQ 1 related to the threading, and it is really very simple program. If you will see here, we are creating two threads, T1 and T2, and these are the functions which will become thread, okay? And then we are joining them and we're returning 0. Everything is cool, right? It is fairly simple program. Now you're supposed to give the answer whether this is going to be the output, this one is the output, or undefined. I don't know what is this undefined here and what is compile time error. Is there any error here? I don't know. Pause the video, check this out. I'll count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I suppose you would have come up with the answers or waiting for the answers. So let's compile this. So if I will compile this, I'll run this. Answer is 1 and 2. Wait a minute, this is not the answer. Even though it is giving you 1 and 2, 1 and 2 is not the answer, because answer is undefined. You don't know which thread will start first if we are starting at the same time, because when request goes to the OS may delay this thread creation and start this one first. Okay, so it actually depends. So that's why it is undefined like this. And notice this, I'm saying if two threads requests are going simultaneously, because this is at the same time. You requested this one and then this one. You're not requesting this one and calling some function and going somewhere else and doing some stuff and then you are requesting this. No, you are requesting this one and this one together, even though it is looking like one after another, but it is together. Most of the time T1 will start first, but there is a possibility that T2 will start. So let me just show you that. If I'll run this again, see, second time only, I didn't compile, I didn't change anything. I just executed this one more time, and this time thread 2 started first, then thread 1. Can you see that? Here 1 and 2, and now here 2 and 1. Let me execute this again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See, now it is 1, 2. Hey, now see, again it is 2 and 1. So that's why it is undefined. You don't know what will start first if you are starting two threads together. So we're done here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, because it will help me a lot. Okay? And if you find my voice little bit changed, actually I'm having cold. So this is the reason why I sound little different. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye. Keep learning. Have a nice day.